Hi, welcome to Creative Workshop. How can I help you today?
Can I please get a black t-shirt?
A black t-shirt. What size, honey?
Large.
Okay, we can do that. Do you have a design in mind?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's creative. Did you do this yourself?
Yes.
You are an artist. I love it. Okay, so we're going to get how many shirts today?
Just one.
Okay, perfect. Well, we can definitely put this on your shirt for you.
Thank you.
Okay, so that's one black. So we're going to do this. And so, you know, your total today is going to be $25 plus tax. And if you hold on, I will work up the total for you. And then you need to pay for your shirt. And then when we have it done, we're going to call you and let you know when it's ready. It'll be within the week. Is that going to work for you today?
Yes.
Perfect. All right, give me a few minutes. I'll get it worked up and we'll get your payment and send you on your way and call you when it's ready, all right?
Yeah.
Thanks, honey. Okay? All right. So Alex, we have your artwork and everything is finished. Let me get your bag for you. And you are good to go, darling. Want to take a look? Look at it before you go.
I love it.
Yay! I'm so happy. Great. Be sure and tell all your friends and family about us, okay? Thank you, honey. You have a wonderful day. Come back and see us. Bye.